Here's a pair of the JBL Endurance Peak 4 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Vizio smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these earbuds in a pairing mode. So both the buds are in a case. Let me open these up. Now you'll know that if it's in pairing mode, if both of the lights are blinking blue, 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 okay? I get a solid blue light here and then mine's just going to turn off. I don't get no blue blinking light. The reason for myself is because I'm connected to my iPhone that's right next to me, okay? So I have to manually put these in a pairing mode for myself. Doesn't matter, I can use the right or left ear, but I'm just going to use the right one here. And what I want to do is touch on that touchpad, which is that JBL logo right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tap and then tap and hold and keep holding until it says pairing or both of the lights on both earbuds are blinking blue. Okay, I'm just going to do it manually. I'm just going to hold it right here and ready. Tap, tap and hold. Keep holding for like 7-8 seconds. Hopefully I did it right. Hey, what do you know? It's blinking blue. It also said pairing if it was in my ear. So both of these are blinking blue. So it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our Vizio TV. And we want to go directly to the settings. If you have a settings button on your remote, you can tap that. If not, just navigate to the home page. Click on the home screen on the remote. And then you want to go to settings. On the left pane here, we want to move left. And then we want to go all the way down to settings. Go down, down, down. Settings right there. Okay, that. Now from here, we're going to go all the way down to all settings. Go down, 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 right there, all settings. Let's select that. Now we're going to go to Bluetooth devices and remote right there. Let's select that. Now we want to go down one to headphones. Let's select that. And now that where it says more available devices, that little thing that's spinning is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, these are both in the pairing mode. It's still blinking blue. So I just got to wait. My first time connecting to this TV as well. It didn't show up yet. It's still in pairing mode. Let me go down to where it says more available devices. Let's click on that. Hey, what do you know? There it is, the Endurance Peak 4. So let's go down. Let's highlight or pair that, highlight it, and then we're going to select on OK on the remote. And voila, it says it is connected. It also said it was connected on these as well. So there you go. Now we are connected, ready to go. You can see the check mark up there. So pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these if you needed to do that. Look for that link below in the description area.